Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. Now I'm going to show you how to factory reset your DJI Mini 4K without removing all your data. If you want to just reset all settings to default but without removing all your licenses and datas, click on the three dots button, then click About, scroll down and find Reset All Settings and click Reset. It will restart your device, but it will not remove any data. Oh, restart aircraft. Wait. It's restarting. Wait a while, then click on this button and press it again. Cool, that's it. All settings was restored to the default. Thanks for watching, like this video and bye. See you.